Hello and welcome to another update video about gold. Gold starts very friendly in the new week, Yeah, we're looking at gold futures here. No surprise. We are likely in this third wave. And I hope everybody who's been following this channel has been expecting this rally. We've been talking about it all year, about a possible third wave melt up rally, in the heart of the third wave, which is what we're currently witnessing. The outlook for gold with the latest push to the upside, the push above the wave 1 high, the push above the 2022 high, the push above the 2020 high, that definitely confirms my broader outlook. And it is likely going to stay that way. Quite optimistic for the coming weeks. Few things I've repeated over the last few weeks and months repeatedly. And that was that if there is a chance that gold is bullish, I am bullish. And yes, there were bearish scenarios. They haven't been received much focus here in this on this channel for good reason. Because as long as I see a reasonable bullish perspective in the metals market, I've mentioned it many times, I've been analyzing this market for more than 10 years, then I want to be rather bullish because I know how quickly gold can go when it goes. I've also mentioned that pullbacks can be very long and frustrating in the gold market. We have seen that, but our support area was never invalidated. Yeah, the bullish case was never invalidated. It never even broke below that low. So strictly speaking, this could even be a 1-2 setup, even though I don't like that idea. And very important, we have confirmed and captured the trend reversal in October 22. So we've captured now a couple of major turning points here in this market. And that's just amazing. And you get all that in free YouTube videos here. Yeah. I've recently rewatched my video from October 22 because I posted it on Twitter. November it was, when we confirmed that here probably a major trend reversal is in place and that we are already in this wave 1 of the larger fifth wave. So this is all worked out nicely, and I think it is not the best time to be bearish right now. Not sure if there are still bears around, but there have been quite a few. And you need to understand that when gold goes, it goes quickly and pullbacks might be shallow. And yeah, that's sort of still the case. And yes, I have added here a micro count to this increase, to this rally. But don't overthink this microstructure, okay? You may get very, very small pullbacks along the way. I'm gonna track the microstructure, but I wanna just make sure that you understand that it doesn't make sense to trade the third and the fourth waves here as we go into next year, because pullbacks may be extremely shallow. I mean, this is characterized at the moment. This price action here looks like the heart of a third wave rally. Yeah, the main part of a third wave rally. What you normally just want to do in a third wave rally is you just want to track support. Because the potential is that if you overthink the short-term fluctuations, you might exit your positions too early, okay? So, I mean, this could still be that third wave here, yeah, but, or have we already seen here 3, 4? See, this is where we might already be in this larger third. This is where it makes sense just to track the support area and not try to get too small with positions, okay? Even though I'd like to say I keep it as it was, that we're basically still here in a third of a third wave. Support is now, bullish support is now 2067. So as long as the price is holding that level, the overall uptrend stays in place. And my sort of broad target is round about $2,500, $2,600 to be reached in the coming weeks, and as we're heading into 2024. So we are likely going to experience further surges in the coming weeks and months. We are likely going to see very shallow pullbacks. What I want to establish here is a key target for this main third wave. It doesn't make sense to establish targets for the subwaves. That's just not It just doesn't make sense when we're in a third wave. So the first main level I would watch is 2,348. But really this third wave should get into this region here. Let me think, is that actually correct? Yeah. Starting at 2,493, possibly even to 2,586. We'll see where that takes it. It's a moving target. It depends on how these subdivisions play out. And when I get the first deeper pullback or some kind of a pullback, I will probably be able to establish here the microstructure a little bit better. But I would not try to trade the micro structure here. Yeah. So anybody who is positioned ideally is positioned. We've been talking about the potential of rapid surges, shallow pullbacks, and that this could be a 1-2 setup. So now it's all about enjoying the ride. I mean, what can I say? Deep pullbacks are not part of this third wave rally. Yeah? They're not planned. So that's one of the reasons why I make this video now. There might be wave 4 pullbacks, okay, but there's not one at the moment visible. So once the next one shows, I will make you aware, and then we can add another support level. At the moment, I'm simply tracking the 50% fib level. It's just sort of a guideline, an Elliott wave that can tell us when a chart, when it breaks that, it will lose its impulsive potential. And that tells us something different might be going on, okay? Yeah, that's my update about gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.